Grand Rising, peoples. I'm testing something out. Testing something out this morning, y'all. We on this JVC, but it's like mist out this morning. It's mist out this morning. They say it's supposed to rain, but I'm trying to it's a little misty out this morning, y'all. But we most definitely gonna make it happen. Rest in peace to the late Jim Brown, our Shea King, a legend that left his legacy worldwide. Talking about the infamous Jim Brown, y'all. Just left down here, Howland Avenue. Yeah, we got the zoomy zoom now, y'all, going on. We got the zoomy zoom thing going on now, y'all. Little misky out this morning, but that's why I look great like that. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, it's a little misty out this morning, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a look at the what we gonna be rocking with. You know what I'm saying? These days clear, we can really play Peter Parker or Jimmy Olsen now. We with the press, as they would say, we with the press, y'all. But yeah, y'all, the late Jim Brown, I shake. I shake to the king. I shake to Malcolm X. His birthday was yesterday. The late Malcolm X. That's why I said we got enough people in our culture to celebrate one of the infamous great leaders we had before our time. Yeah. I'll work with him in a minute. Yeah. I'll work with him in a minute. Might have to invest into another one of these. I had this for a minute, y'all. My JVC camcorder. That's what we on, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This morning. Let's zoom in to the sun. See that? See that, y'all? Some new equipment. Commodore Barry Bridge. You can't see it. It's a lot of fog out this morning. Let me see if I can get it for y'all. Y'all can see it through the mist. Earl the squirrel. I take one step, he takes 7 jumps. Are you chilling with me this morning? Earl the squirrel. Earl the squirrel. They'll come up on you too, y'all. They ain't harmful. Only if you're trying to harm them. That's when they'll be more on the defense move. But them squirrels are shit. They'll walk right up on you. That noise y'all hear at night in y'all crib, in the attic, it's the squirrels. I'm just testing out this camera. I know the right now the video is gray as hell, but I can change the settings. Still recording. Alright, I'm gonna stop it here, y'all. Right across from here. Now, I'm gonna keep moving. Cause this is a quick test, y'all, with the new equipment. see some. Hold on. Yeah, I had to see something, y'all. Looking at the video, it looked gray as hell. Like, you know what I'm saying? With the new equipment. With the new goddamn equipment. Down here, y'all. One more part. That's the swimming pool down there. Y'all see that? See the advantage we got now, y'all? We got Benjamin Banneker there, up top there. That's the towers we had to deliver when I was working with Mustang. Up there, let me zoom in for y'all. Up there, that building right here, up on top of there, that got like phone communication equipment in there. You know what I'm saying? And then the things right here, the antennas, is where you get your phone service at. I mean, they got them throughout the whole, like, cities and towns. Well, you know what I mean? You go up on there, but you gotta get up on there. You gotta take it all the way probably up to the last elevator floor, and then probably walk up. Probably walk up a flight of steps. You know what I'm saying? Yep. And the trash. The debris. Somebody lost his shoe. Right there. Nike too. Knockoff. What they be having parties right here? All this trash. What's going on here, y'all? Somebody lost his shoe. And the whole 9 yards. Let's go pay our respect to the king. Pay our respect to the king. The late Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King. Sounds of the birds in the morning, y'all. Listen. Yeah, y'all. This ain't no man walking his dog and shit. But that nigga be on some bitch, some homo bitch shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it funky. I'm gonna keep it all the way funky with y'all. This nigga be on some bitch shit. Like, he was the type of motherfucker in school. Nigga body beat him, that nigga was crying and shit. That type of nigga. But he was messing with this girl that lived a couple doors down from me and shit. Nigga ain't know what he had and shit, y'all. Grand Rising King. Grand Rising King. Grand Rising, beloved. 21 gun salute. Most definitely 21 gun salute. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, this nigga had Grand Rising, King Ashe. Yeah, he had something he ain't know what he had, y'all. You know how them niggas get them girls and they don't know what they got until they leave their ass. Well, that's what happened with him. He ain't know what he had until she left his ass. Cause he's one of them motherfuckers that drink. A lot of y'all ladies got them men, little boys. That's what I call them, little boys that drink and still stay with their mommy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, they locked it up. They shut it, y'all. They trimmed it up and they shut it, y'all. Only thing they gotta do now is put a lock on it. But it's still, nah, it's, that side right there need to be trimmed up and shut. You know what I'm saying? See? We already did a walk by, so that thing's secured, y'all. That thing's secured. 21 gun salute to the peoples that came down here and took care of business. 21 gun salute. We right here where the kids got in at, but they just shut it. And just gotta get on the other side and put a lock, a chain, and a lock on there. Right here, y'all. 21 gun salute to the babies that lost their lives, man. There's some numbers. I'm gonna play them numbers, y'all. Let me put them numbers on my phone real quick. I'm gonna play them numbers, y'all. You heard? I'm gonna play them numbers. It's definitely gonna play these numbers. Got 'em. Got 'em, y'all. Ashe to the babies. Ashe to the babies. Gone, but most definitely will never be forgotten. Alright, y'all. We out. Yeah, like I was saying, y'all know them Negroes. That don't know what they got until they gone. But when they was with the person was trying to help them. You know, from being a goddamn alcoholic. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help them be a recovering addict, but some of them don't listen and like to beat on their women when they get drunk. I don't respect them type of dudes. And that's the type of dude my man was. That just call himself dipping back. I seen you, nigga. I seen you. Your wig was crooked. Your Jerry curl had too much juice in it. I seen you, nigga. But yeah, y'all. He ain't know what he had until she left his drunk ass. And then he wanna run out. Ain't even give himself time to heal. from the relationship and jump right into another relationship with another female who probably drink. You know what I'm saying? So he the type of motherfucker. That's my neighbor, you know what I mean? I know her. I went to school with her too. You know them type of niggas that see you having a conversation with them and don't know what the fuck is going on. And he assume that you trying to holler at her. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even the case. You know what I'm saying? You weak ass nigga. You weak, no bone in the back ass nigga. Hate them type of niggas, y'all. Stop speaking to you because you still speaking with his ex, who's a friend of yours. Fuck out of here, man. If you ever see me in the crowd with motherfuckers talking, I'm gonna kick you dead up your ass. Fuck away from me, man. Straight up. Fuck away from me. With that old bitch shit. Niggas, man. I'm telling you, some of these niggas out here, y'all know what I'm talking about. Most of these niggas, some of these niggas act more like females than females do. And some of you females can bounce for me, right? Don't most of these niggas out here act more like girls than supposed to be men? Ladies, you got one probably laying right next to you now. Ain't about shit. So all you want to do is drink. Cause mass confusion. Cause mass confusion with you. But don't got that same energy. But don't got that same energy to match when it comes to another man. Let me get a shot of that. You know what I'm saying? Man, new equipment. New equipment, y'all know what it is. Equipment also take photos while I'm recording. So if I see something looking crazy, I can take that photo of it while I'm still recording and don't fuck up my video. Which I can do it with my phone too, but I've been had this piece of equipment. I just pulled it out, dusted off a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, back to these weak-boned ass niggas. They get mad at you because he ain't know what he had. And he see y'all conversating on some friendship shit, not no trying to holler at her. See, that's one thing I never did. If I knew you and we was cool, I never tried to fuck your girl. I tried to holler at your girl. You know what I'm saying? If we cool and I respect you as a man, why would I do that? You know what I'm saying? I ain't that weak-boned ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm the type of motherfucker, if I do see your partner out here doing what she ain't got no business doing, I'm gonna come tell you. I'm gonna holler at you. You know what I mean? To let you know, yo, what's up? Check that. You know what I'm saying? Check that. But then you got some of these weak-boned ass niggas that run back and tell a girl who told them, who seen them creeping. That's why some people say, nah, I ain't getting involved in that shit. You know what I mean? Because they end up putting you in it by telling. Because they so emotions are running high that they tell who told them. And then the girl will have an attitude with you. And then there it is. Commotion. Over me looking out for you, telling you that your girl is fucking on you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that type of dude. I'm going to tell you. You know what I'm saying? But some dudes are not loyal. You know what I'm saying? Your best friend will be trying to holler at your girl. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't have no friends. I have frenemies. Trust nobody. You heard? Trust nobody. Your best friend will set you up your best friend to fuck your girl. And that's a 100% fact. You know what I'm saying? And then the girl sometimes like to play both sides. And then when y'all got a little argument going on, that's when she want to bring the shit up. That's why your boy was trying to holler at me. To start more mass confusion. To have you go out here and right kill that nigga. You know, pussy is the root of all evil. They say money is, but I say no, pussy is. Shit. Nigga kill you quick over a piece of pussy. You know what I'm saying? Something that bleed once a month. A nigga kill you over that shit. A nigga be on you like a coyote on a goat, you heard? Over that pussy. Facts. It's a lot of people that ain't here now that lost their life. Guess what? Over a piece of pussy. Prove me wrong. We all got friends that lost their life over a piece of pussy. Am I lying? The most dangerous artifact on the planet is a piece of pussy. Shit. Pussy will beat COVID. Niggas die more over pussy than COVID. Because COVID was made up. You know what I'm saying? COVID was made up. Pussy ain't. Pussy gonna always be here. And niggas gonna always die over pussy. Over some old rotten, stinking ass pussy. And that's a fact. But I just wanted to get out and test this JVC, even though I had it for a while. I just had to pull it out the closet and dust it off. And get out and get some live recording. So I'm gonna start doing my videos on this so I can zoom in and get some extra footage if I need to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's just a little foggy out. That's why the video. Zoom in, Commodore Barry Bridge. Y'all see that? See that zoom? What's that song? Zoom, 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 with my boom, boom. You heard? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the video. With that being said, stand on your square, put the Most High first, and everything else will fall in place. With that being said, I love you all. Peace.